Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are planning to switch phones or log into your Roblox account on a new device, you must secure your account first. Many users lose access because they forget to update security settings before changing devices. First, open the Roblox app on your current device. Tap on More at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Info. The first thing you should do is make sure your email address is verified. If it says Verify Email, tap on it and complete the verification process. A verified email helps you recover your account if anything goes wrong. Now turn on two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification and enable email verification or authenticator app. This prevents anyone from logging into your account even if they know your password. After that, go back and tap on Account Info. Double-check your username and date of birth are correct. Finally, change your password before switching devices. Use a strong password that includes letters and numbers. Once all of this is done, your Roblox account is fully secured and safe to use on another phone or laptop. That is how you secure your Roblox account before switching devices. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Roblox tutorials and security guides.